past 2 years, I've had the privilege of being the mentor for the PDS Foundation DA Scholarship. We've traveled across the country and been able to award numerous DA students scholarships on behalf of the PDS Foundation. The PDS Foundation DA Scholarship has been awarded to dental assistants who have a heart for service, who are continuously looking and seeking to grow both personally and professionally, going above and beyond their daily task and ask of them, taking the initiative to learn and to grow, and being hungry and humble and curious and expanding their own clinical knowledge and owning their daily performance. Dental assistant students, apply today and visit our PDS Foundation website.